What's up? It's been a lot of fun getting all this stuff, especially with a week like I've had, a couple weeks like I've had. Just worked out with some trades and had some extra fidget money amongst all the crap going on. Trying not to show an address. Really excited. Oop. Holy. There we go. I even save those for later because those are not what this video is about. Buttons they don't deserve a whole video in themselves, right? Just gotta make these additional. I clearly need to sharpen my Swiss Army knife. It's gotten old. Thinamathing V2, stainless. I knew there was going to be another cut. Man, Jonas Next is making spinners again. Wait. Getting ahead of myself. Just thinking about this. I need to be representing here, right? Get the wrapped out. Touched it, but I haven't seen it yet. Oh man. It's thin, that's for sure. I love the 3D machining on all the chamfers. Buttons are big and chunky, nice and thin. The size is awesome. Size to button ratio. Okay, so there might be a surprise. I think there is. I asked for something. I asked for I guess it's a joke amongst more customers, I guess, beyond me, but you know, I asked them to hide a dick on it somewhere. This one is perfect. Oh, what does it say? Or is it just hair? I'm gonna have to ask. It looks like, are they eyes? Or am I looking at it this way? It looks like, oh man, I don't know. I'm dying. Got number 10. Jonas, thank you, man. All right, so these buttons. I want to make some of these buttons. It's one of the reasons I got this thing. Get some exotic buttons on it. I'm not even gonna worry about a bearing swap yet. I just want to enjoy it. I don't want to have to wait for Loctite to dry for, even if it sets in a minute. It's too long to not be playing with this thing. So we got confirmation there will not be tungsten. It's okay, I understand. Pain in the butt. This weight's great. I already forgot what it is supposed to weigh. Let's see. It's like 60 something. Yep. 62.8. I'm gonna go ahead and now that a little bit of the excitement's passed, open this up from Melanie. Sure, nothing else. Yep, we're empty. I should have cut that open better. That would have been reusable. So these are some superconductor buttons. Got some crazy patina going on. That's what I was wondering, how these were cut. Wait. Are these just copper? These are just copper buttons. Oh my gosh, they're just engraved. That's not good. We gotta chat, Melanie. These are not superconductor. Okay, that's funny. Looks like it though, doesn't it? Someone fooled us. Anyways, back to this. Well, I gotta reroute my brain from the, I guess we're gonna go with the unboxing and disappointment series partially, because I gotta say this thing is not disappointing. Sorry for my AC unit over there, it's a little loud right now. You can hear it. It's one of the bars for top making, is it's interacting with it and creating a vibration with the metal, not the actual unit itself. This thing's super comfortable. It's a great size. Let's see. I've got this guy, which the button is most of the weight here. You know, that's a very heavy button comparatively. Got a full ceramic in it. This being bigger, I can definitely tell I gotta spread my hand out more. I like this size a lot. I love it. Jonas, this is great. Keep it up. Let her on fire. Thanks for watching.